Most of the sellers fail on Amazon because they never launch the right product. New sellers overthink on launching the right product, but they waste weeks on research, chasing trends, and watching tutorials. But at last, they end up stuck, confused, and launching the wrong product. I have been there too. That's why in this video, I'll be showing 3 product ideas that you can launch on Amazon right now. These ideas are based on real product demand, low to medium competition, strong profit margins, and easy to launch. And the best part is, you'll see the exact profit margin for each product. Even if it is a low investment product or a high ticket one, you can pick based on your budget. These are the same type of products I will look for my Amazon business. Even I want to launch one of them. Let's jump into 3 product ideas, and the last one is really a gold mine. Let's talk about product number 3. It's an exercise ball, also known as yoga ball, from sports and fitness category. First, let's search on Amazon. At top, you can see some sponsored ads. Skip those. Below, you can see organic listings. Now here, what I noticed is most of the products are priced under 500 with very few reviews. Only 1 or 2 sellers have thousands of reviews. But what really got my attention is sales. Some of these sellers are selling 1000 units per month. That means the demand is really good. After COVID, most of the people became health conscious and prefer to do workout at home. Even this trend will be growing in future. So here is the opportunity for you to launch better product because most of the exercise balls are looking same model, nothing new. If you offer something different, you can stand out easily and get 4.5 rating. So if I launch my product here, this is how I make the product different. First, I'll check US market on Amazon.com to see which product is unique. Here I can see this seller is offering yoga ball with base. This helps with stability and even the product looks more premium. I believe this model will work in India too. So now I will check the product price in Alibaba website. Most of the suppliers are selling this product combo, ball plus base, around $2.7 per unit, which means 230 rupees if you order in bulk. And if you are able to negotiate it with supplier, you will get it more cheaper. Now, if you sell this product in India for $7.99, you can make profit around 50 to 100 rupees per unit. So if you sell 1000 units per month, on average you can get 1 lakh rupees profit per month. Yes, the profit might be small in the beginning, but if you are starting with low investment and looking for a product with regular demand and good potential, this is the smart choice to enter into the fitness category. Product number 2, salad spinner with chopper. Here in Amazon, if you see for this product, most of the sellers have very few reviews. Only few global listings have thousands of reviews. But what's the interesting thing is sales velocity. Even a product with price $8.99 also getting 500 plus sales per month. That's a clear sign that this product is still growing. Especially post-COVID, most of the people are focusing on healthy eating. But the downside is most of the products are looking exactly same with basic functionality and there is no uniqueness in that. This is the opportunity for you to stand out. Even sellers with 100 reviews also getting decent sales because slightly they improved the product design. But product working condition is same according to the reviews. So if I want to launch this product in India, I want to be unique from others. While researching on Amazon.com, I came across this product, salad spinner with chopper. This product is really good. People often buy both tools separately. Why not give them in one product? This will make your product different from others and add more value to your product. Now in Alibaba, I can see few suppliers are offering these type of products. If you are ordering about 1000 units, the price will be $4.2 per unit, which means 360 rupees. If you sell it for $12.99, you will get around 300 profit per unit. So if you sell 500 units per month, on average you can get 1.5 lakh rupees profit per month. In fact, for this salad spinner, the sales will increase to 1000 units per month, where you can earn 3 lakhs profit per month. Even the investment required for this product is medium, but once the product will click, the profit will be good. Product number 1 is garment steamer from home appliances category. This is one of my most recommended products. In Amazon, garment steamer is priced between 1500 to 3500 and surprisingly, the product with price 3100 is getting 4000 sales per month. Even remaining other sellers also selling 500 units per month. That's a clear sign of strong demand. But most of the products has 1000 plus reviews. So the competition will be high in this space. Here everyone rating is 4. This is a clear chance for you to launch better unique product and get 4.5 rating. If I see the competitor reviews, I can see most of the customers are complaining about products looks very basic, leakage issues, and there is no detachable tank. So we need to resolve all this and launch a unique model. In Amazon.com, I found a unique model with 90-degree rotating nozzle, travel friendly, and sleek design. Now, when I search on Alibaba, I found a similar model around $10 per unit, which means 850 rupees. Even if you launch this product at 2499, your profit will be around 500 per unit, which is pretty good. So here on average, if you sell 2000 units per month also, you can get 10 lakhs profit per month. But this is high ticket one. You need high investment for this product. So these are the three real product ideas you can consider launching on Amazon. If you have high investment, garment steamer is better option. You can get good profit margin. But here to order 3 months of stock, you need to have at least 50 lakhs of investment. If you have medium investment, go for salad spinner. Here also profit margin is good. Just 10 lakhs of investment is required to maintain 3 months of stock. If you don't want to take risk on your first product, choose excess ball. Here investment is less and you'll get better margin in that range. Even only 6 lakhs of investment is required. If you want to launch and scale your business on Amazon, fill this form.